So the question is, if someone with class 7, Norwood 7, or advanced class of hair loss can get a hair transplant. And the answer is yes. Anybody can get a hair transplant regardless of the degree of hair loss. But sometimes if you are a class 7 patient, that means you just have a rim of hair on the scalp and a huge area to cover. We may not have enough hair on the scalp to restore your full head of hair. At times, we may need to use your beard hair or body hair to supplement the scalp hair. Unfortunately, not everybody has enough beard hair or even body hair. So occasionally we are limited. Even in those cases, we can make improvement. We can change class 7 to class 4 or class 3V, which is a huge improvement. But in many cases that they have different sources of hair, we can promise a full head of hair even to a person with class 7 of hair loss.